Adventures. I'm Nirvana. I'm Eva. And I'm Ray. Today we are in Pennsylvania. We're at
the Split Rock Resort.
Yep. And right here there's a little waterfall and we're gonna climb those rocks. Right? Let's go. Let's go try at least. Not everywhere.
Like, you gotta be careful. Be careful. Oh, look. There's more water. Don't go too far. Okay. Blake, that's enough for you. Blake, that's enough for you. That's good. We got to see a little bit of wildlife here for the past few days. We got to see a whole family of deer. So a whole family of deer with a little baby deer who was trying to find his mama.
Is that Mama?
And then we also heard, we didn't see one yet, but we heard there was a black bear in this forest.
Yeah.
What else did we see?
I saw a yeti.
3 raccoons, that's right. No, we didn't see a yeti. But there is a spot called a yeti.
Come on, let's keep on climbing.
Okay, Blake, that's enough, that's enough. Okay. What do you see?
A little cave.
Okay, be careful, because remember, there could be things in there. Okay, Blake, come down.
Who might live in there?
Exactly. You never know.
Oh, there's a little hole there.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I wonder where it goes to.
Can we go find out?
I don't know. So it's a little cooler than we expected, especially in the past few days. And given the fact that there's a lake here, it's been a little bit more colder than we thought, especially at nighttime. So if you do come over here, we're actually currently at Lake Harmony in Pennsylvania. And if you decide to come here, you have to make sure you bring a light jacket or something with you.
It's really cold sometimes.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough, Nirvana. We're not going all the way up there. That's the highest we're going, Nirvana. That's it, we're done. And we got a little boo-boo here.
Yeah.
We okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
We reached the top of the hill.
All right, post pictures. What is up, Blake? Stand normal. Say cheese. And as you can see, there's people that live up here, those little houses.
Yeah.
So we don't want to go disturb the peace.
They lived up here, we go to the lake every day.
I know. Can't really see the view from here, but it's really nice. And we kind of walked a really far away.